I'm going to show you how to take that off. 24 Sportage, all clips. Up top, this whole piece is connected, part of the bumper, see? And it just clips around here. This one, I already started out. Watch. Come on. Has to go back in. I don't want to bang it. We gotta go around the light. You see? But we gotta take it off. Like this side. So after I moved these guys out of the way, came in with the hook and grabbed from behind. You don't want to do it with your bare hands. You might cut yourself. See? Work your way around. But that was after. Clip, like I show you in the next video, next step. Clip. Right here in the corner, there's another clip right there somewhere. So, let me show you. Same here. Pull this puppy out. 10 mil. I removed right there. But there it is. That's what it looks like with it on. Now, with it off. I won. Look at this. All this was actually way easier than you think. So, 24 Sportage. We're gonna take out, well, we already took it out, took it off. I'm gonna show you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Up on the top. All these clips. Look, they're magnetic too. These guys. All the way around. 1, 2. 10 mil. Up in the corner. Right here. Right there. It's upward. Same on the other side. There's another push pin. It goes right here in the corner. Alright. Now, I'm going to show you how these pop off. These pop off. This one stayed. I got to get them out. These pop out of the bumper. Alright. More clips. These guys. All the way around. See? I'm going to put them back on and show you. Then, right here in the middle, 2 10 mils. One right there, and one right there. And that is all brought to you by Unsolved Miseries. So let me show you. See? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There you go. This big puppy. Another one right here. That's it, holding it in. One right there in the corner. And one right there in the corner. And that's the bottom. Those are the 2 10 mils tabs. While we have the bumper off, we're gonna take the headlight out. Where you started. 1, 2, 10 mils. And a 12. This guy. And we already pulled her out. There's a socket right there that it rests in. So that's gotta get popped out as you pull out. Come on. You see? Can I do it with one hand? I guess the body. Nope. I'm doing it with 2. Come on. Now she's out. All you gotta do is unclip one plug. And the whole puppy's out. Same on this side. Should be 1, 2. Yep. And one plug. Same with the. So, that's your headlight. Like it, don't like it, share it, don't share it, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.